Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Arga Prasetya, NIM 24,110,043. Education in Indonesia. Indonesia is a beautiful island country that sits between the Pacific Ocean and the Indian Ocean. Lying along the equator, the country experiences no extremes of season in both winters and summers and is either between October and April or dry between May and September. Indonesia comprises of no territory in the mainland Asia, but Malaysia, the closest mainland country, and Malay Peninsula claims on the mainland compulsory education in Indonesia. The compulsory Indonesia education consists of 9 years and all Indonesian citizens must undergo 6 years at the elementary level and 3 years at the secondary level. The Islamic school does not come under this and are managed by the Ministry of Religious Affairs academic there in Indonesia. The school lasts for 38 weeks on an average for the primary and secondary level. The duration of the class for the primary level is 30 minutes in grade 1 and grade 2. 40 minutes duration for grade 3 to grade 6 and 40 minutes duration for the junior secondary school. The classroom language of instruction in Indonesia is provided in the National Bahasa Indonesia language. Education system in Indonesia. Primary education. The primary education in Indonesia follows right after the pro-school that might start in a child's third year. Most of the elementary school in Indonesia are government-run and some school offer programs that are accelerated and compress the past to 5 years. The Islamic education system also operates in parallel to this system of education. Middle education in Indonesia. The middle education is to work as a bridge between the middle phase of the elementary education followed by the senior high school, which is more challenging. This system of education also guides the educator to determine a possible future direction for their students. The Islamic middle education system continues to provide an alternative. Secondary education. The secondary education has two different kinds providing two different streams of education. One is for those who intend to go for further studies in university, and the other type is for those who want to find a job right after high school. Vocational education. The vocational training for students in Indonesia are offered by the private training college with initiatives by the donor countries. Tertiary education. The tertiary education in Indonesia comprises of your different kinds of, namely academies, polytechnics, universities, and institutes. Some are privately funded, some are state-controlled, and some are affiliated to religious organizations. Structure of education system in Indonesia. The education system in Indonesia comprises the primary, middle, secondary, vocational, and tertiary education. The compulsory education is for 9 years and hence everyone must attend 6 years of elementary level and 3 years of secondary education. There are also many Islamic schools in Indonesia which don't come under this and are managed by the Ministry of Religious Affairs Indonesia. Know about the structure of education system in Indonesia. Pre-higher education. Structure of education system in Indonesia. The education system in Indonesia comprises the primary, middle, secondary, vocational, and tertiary education. The compulsory education is for 9 years, and hence every year must attend 6 years of elementary level and 3 years of secondary education. There are also many Islamic schools in Indonesia which do not come under this and are managed by the Ministry of Religious Affairs Indonesia. Know about the structure of education system in Indonesia. Pre-higher education 7 until 15 years school system structure first text school type elementary length 6 years 7 until 12 second type school type junior secondary length 3 years 30 until 50 upper secondary education school type general senior secondary length 3 years 60 until 90. The certificate or diploma that is awarded the successful candidate. Certificate for the successfully completing upper secondary school. Vocational secondary school type. The vocational secondary education length 3 years 60 until 90. School education. The Indonesia compulsory education is for 9 years, which includes 6 years of elementary education and 3 years of secondary education. The secondary education has the junior level as known as SMTP, Sekolah Menengah Tingkat Pertama. The senior level also known as SMTA, Sekolah Menengah Tingkat Atas, and the technical or vocational education. The junior secondary education school comprises of 3 years and also is a part of basic school education program having 6 years. Primary school education. Senior secondary education has 3 years and it has different form of secondary education. School that include vocational, Islamic, and general. Further, senior secondary education has 3 sessions, and in the senior secondary school 3rd year, the student get to course between language, natural science, and social science. The graduate from the senior secondary education school shall get the senior level certificate or Sekolah Menengah Atas, which along with an entrance exam is important to attend for further pursuing the higher education. Higher education. Indonesia is home to different types of higher educational institutions like universities, public and also private institutes for teachers training, Islamic institute, private and public offering professional and academic university level of education and polytechnics. Language Indonesia. Different types of studies. The non-university level education such as vocational or higher technical education is given by the academy. That are single faculty academies conferring diploma and the polytechnics that also confer diplomas. University level studies. The university level studies are divided into 3 stacks. First stack, university level, Sarjana S1, S1. The university level first stack is Sarjana Strats, which is awarded to students after successful completion of full-time 4-year study at a school, university, or institute. The student must secure a total of credits marked to graduate for subjects like dentistry, medicine, pharmacy, engineering, and veterinary science. Additional to 6 semester are added. The degree certificates which are awarded to the students bear the Sarjana inscription and then the name of the subjects. Second stack, university level Magister S2. The Magister Stata 2 is the second stack of the university level that is awarded to a successful student after completing another 2 years of study and research somewhere between 36 to 50 credits above. Stacks 1 are essential for students to graduate in the second stacks of the university level. Third stacks, university level, Dr. S3. The third stack, which is also known as Dr. Strata 3, comprises another 2 to 4 after the second stacks Magister. Sekian tugas membaca bahasa Inggris dari saya. Kurang lebihnya saya mohon maaf. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.